Hi folks, it's Richard Joe, conversion rate optimization expert, and today I'm going to talk about more about storytelling. And I discussed about 6 months ago, but I'm going to give you a more in-depth example and emphasize why storytelling is really a powerful way to express your results to stakeholders. And so we're going to use a way where we talk about CRO. And what we're going to do is we're going to link it to a random word. And today's random word, we're going to make it a bit funny this time. We're going to link it to a random word, which is avocado. So we're going to talk about how CRO is like an avocado. And this will make your storytelling memorable to your stakeholders, and therefore you'll be even more effective. So bear with me. So we're going to talk about how CRO and avocados, what CRO and avocados have in common. So you can see that CRO is like an avocado. If you want stakeholders to actually care about your experiments, you've got to stop showing them raw data and start slicing it like an avocado. So here's a trait about avocados. They're ugly on the outside, but beautiful on the inside. So an avocado looks, kind of meh. Bumpy, weird, bit hard to feel, and that's your raw test data, not so attractive. To most stakeholders, yeah, whatever. But cut it open and boom, there you go. Creamy goodness, green stuff. That's your insights, that's your story, that's what you need to explain, express, and highlight. And that's what you need to tell them how your experiment made users feel, not just what the uplift was. Now, the other part about an avocado is that it has a pit inside. So every avocado's got a pit, and in CRO, that's your why. Why users do what they do. And why did users behave differently in your experiments? Why did this version do better than the control? The pit is your core insights. And that's the thing that they remember when they forget everything else. The other trait is timing, and timing matters. That's the third point. Did you ever cut an avocado early? Too hard? Too late? Get that brown mush? Storytelling's the same. Share your experiment too early, it's just noise. But too late, people have gone. So you just got to get people where they, you just got to get them where it's just right. And look, everyone needs guac, but no one wants to pay extra. So look, if you like that storytelling, like and subscribe, and